Hey guys, what's up? My name is Xiao. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I do art videos and DIYs and hacks. This video is one of those hacks. I'm going to show you how I will be packing 4 little rocks of flowers into like a little travel kit so I can just take it with me instead of having it just like separate in a bag. So keep on watching to see how I do that. Alright, so for this hack, as you can see, I use a cup. This is an old cup that I used from Starbucks, and I just repainted it with paint just to give it some color. So these are toilet paper rolls. I just cut, and then you can lay it flat to give it that flatness. And then my 4 rocks that I painted of the flowers that I'm going to travel with. Alright, you're going to take your cup. I'm going to have it set it like this. Take all of your smaller rocks and just set it in like this. Because I don't want the rocks to get scratched. I'm putting cardboard in between each one. Putting the first one in, putting that one in, slipping that in between the cardboard, putting another cardboard toilet paper roll in there. This way, and then this flower rock right here, it's gonna go right here in between this little middle sleeve right here, if you want to call it the sleeve. Just push it down, and then we've got that pretty secure. And then the next rock is this one. It's pretty big, so I'm taking this one. I already cut like some slices down here, 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 so that it can fit. It does. If you don't cut it, it's not going to fit. It's not going to mold into the cup shape. So I'm just going to put this in here like this, and then I'm going to wrap it with another cardboard, kind of like this here, and then here like this. Oh. Okay, like that. And then just kind of like I would wrap it like this. Let's see, and then I forgot to mention a rubber band just to hold it all together. Let's see. Let me take this back out. Folding it together like this, and then I'm gonna tie. Oh, that just snapped. Dang it. Alright, we're gonna do a real quick tie right there. See, I already tied it before, but we'll tie it again. It's not gonna be tight, but it still holds it pretty well. So we're just gonna put it in there like this. And there you have it. You got 4 little rocks in the Starbucks painted cup using toilet paper roll cardboard. Alright, awesome. So now I've got a little travel kit of my little painted rocks of flowers. It's pretty simple to do, even you could do it yourself. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you.